That warm welcome for the new pastor of Gateway Church here in North Texas, taking to the pulpit for the first time here in Southlake. And why is that newsworthy? Well, that introduction comes as new documents are now being released in the case against the megachurch's founder, Robert Morris. Now, Mr. Morris, as you may remember, is facing charges of lewd and/or indecent acts with a child. Those accusations date back into the 1980s, and those court documents filed on Friday include a proposed announcement that indicates church leadership knew about the alleged abuse years ago. Our Briseida Olguin live for us outside Southlake Gateway with more on all of this. Briseida?
Steve, today Pastor Daniel Floyd gave his first sermon here at the Southlake campus. He comes from Virginia. Now, as you mentioned, it's been nearly a year since founder Robert Morris stepped down following accusations of child abuse allegations. CBS News Texas obtained court documents related to a lawsuit against the church over retirement payments. They include a proposed announcement that Morris was going to make to the congregation, but it was never made public. According to Morris's attorney, the proposed announcement was written by him in 2011. In it, he says he admits to, quote, inappropriate behavior with an underage girl, but didn't name who. That announcement was never made public. The documents also include a letter from 2007 to the Board of Elders. The president suggested Morris should not mention the family or Cindy specifically by name, as they would violate their privacy. Now, Gateway Church tells us, quote, we have consistently and publicly said that there were elders and employees at Gateway who knew about this issue before it became public and either didn't take action or didn't inquire further. That was fundamentally wrong. The church elders took action, and none of those individuals are part of Gateway Church today, end quote. Now, I did reach out to Morris's attorney, who says the church continues to paint a false narrative of Morris by saying he wasn't transparent with leadership, and says the church still works with the law firm who knew about all of this. Now, stay with us, because coming up at 10 p.m., I'll dive further into what these new documents outline, and I'll have that coming up. For now, reporting live, Briseida Olguin, CBS News Texas.